Warm greetings to all of you.
Today we are going to discuss about sustainable development. Sustainable development is the central concept for our age, for the continued existence of the world. The United Nations Commission on Environment and Development issued the Brundtland Report in 1987, and this report provided the first widely accepted definition of sustainable development. According to Brundtland Report, sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. So the concept of sustainable development aims to maintain economic advancement and progress while protecting the long-term value of the environment. So simply, the sustainable development recommends for socially inclusive and environmentally sustainable economic growth. In sustainable development, there is an interaction of three complex systems, that is, the world economy, the global society, and the earth physical environment. And these three forms are the pillars for sustainable development. Coming to the Sustainable Development Goals, the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development in Rio de Janeiro led to the development of a set of Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals replace the Millennium Development Goals of 2000. In 2015, the United Nations adopted the 2030 Agenda for the Sustainable Development, which includes 17 developmental goals and 169 associated targets. The goals and targets are universal. That means they apply to all countries around the world. Now, let us have a look at the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. The first goal is to end poverty in all its forms everywhere. Goal 2 is to end hunger, achieve food security and improved nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Goal 3 is to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Goal 4 is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Goal 5 is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Goal 6 is to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Goal 7 is to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all. Goal 8 is to promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work for all. Goal 9 is to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. Goal 10 is to reduce inequality within and among countries. Goal 11 is to make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Goal 12 is to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. Goal 13 is to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Goal 14 is to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. Goal 15 is to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and halt and reverse land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. Goal 16 is to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. And Goal 17 is to strengthen means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. Thank you.